Let's determine the slope and y-intercept of this equation, that is 2x plus 3y equals 9. For that, we can utilize this slope-intercept form, that is y equals mx plus b, where m stands for slope and b is the y-intercept. So first, we rewrite this equation in the slope intercept form. For that, I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So when I do that, I get 3y equals 9 minus of 2x. And now I divide by 3 on both sides. So I do like this. So on the left side, we get y equals, this can be split into two fractions as 9 by 3 minus 2x by 3. And we can simplify 9 by 3 is 3, and we get negative 2 third x. This can still be rewritten as negative 2 third x plus 3. We just interchange the x and the constant term. So now this is in the form of y equals mx plus b, where the letter m is the slope. So here this coefficient m is the slope, and this constant b is the y-intercept. So we say that slope of this equation is negative 2 thirds, and y-intercept is 3. Let's now graph this equation using the slope as well as the y-intercept. So first, I'm going to mark this y-intercept, that is 3 on the graph. So I can mark it over here, and we just got 1 point. We will need at least one more point to draw the graph. So we have the slope is equals negative 2 thirds. Since the slope is negative, we go down by 2 units. So this is rise. The rise is negative 2, and the run is positive. So which means we have to go down by 2 units and across by 3 units. So from this starting point 3, I'm going down by 2 units. That is, this is 1 unit and this is another unit. I go down 2 and across 3. That is, this is 1 and 2 and 3. So we got another point at 3 comma 1. Similarly, we can form one more point. So I go down 2 units, that is, this is 1 and this is negative 1 is another point. And from here we have to go across 3 units, that is 1, 2 and 3. So basically we reach out here, that is, this is another point, which is approximately, no, it's exactly 6 comma negative 1. So we have these 3 points, we can join them and graph it. So once we join these points, we get the graph of this equation as a straight line. So this is the graph of this equation, 2x plus 3y equals 9.